Hey, what's up, guys? This is Ed Sorrentino, also go by Zeus Trader on my Discord server. Link's actually in bio if anyone is interested. And today, I'm just going to be going over a little bit of a preview of what stocks I am looking to alert. One, to my Discord, and two, to playing myself. Right here is a little preview of my own Discord server. We have lots of great stuff here. If anyone is ever interested in joining, free 7-day trial. Okay, we have 5 different analysts, all 10 years plus of options trading experience and penny stock experience. Alerts are very clear, very detailed, when to enter, when we exit, and just like any other Discord server, we are not financial advisors whatsoever. We are just simply communicating to our members what we are buying and selling and how we are trading our own accounts. And this is my personal channel right here where I send out my alerts. Great stuff overall. Great analysts by Coach here, one of my top overall traders. My team at traders, top guy right here. You get the nightly watch list as well. The trading floor, which is just like the general chat for my premium subscribers. And the most important thing I really think that is very significant in my channel is our AI flow algo bot that pretty much takes data from flowalgo.com and generates real-time option flows among institutions and what they're buying, what they're selling, all real-time. Right here is our golden sweeper flow bot. Very important stuff. I mean, somebody bought $3.8 million of Uber calls on the 12th of this week at 148. Honestly, when you see something like that, it's usually the best thing to just start replicating that and to take a look at Uber when these flow algos do come in. But like I said, I do want to give a little preview of what to expect for next week. So let's just dive right into it. So the first stock that I actually alerted on Friday was Nautilus Incorporation, NLS. And as you can see, this stock is quite interesting. Lots of volume as of recently, especially in the last few weeks. Volume's actually been really picking up lately. What made me, this is on the weekly chart, and these are my supports and resistance lines that I've been trading off of for quite some time now. Take a quicker look at the daily chart. Looks very good. Could have been in a, this looks like a cup and handle to me. Get the cup, right, with the bull flag or the handle, whatever. More importantly, if you look at the 1 hour, you can see this descending wedge, right? And then I alerted to buy the calls. We bought $30 calls, I think expiring in March. Right on support here, especially with a big breakout volume, MACD converging, very good stuff. This is why I alerted the calls. We are actually going to be definitely taking profit at 31, and obviously sell half, keep a few runners, and then we'll most likely sell our remaining contracts at 32.5, 33, always with a stop loss, of course. So that is something that I did alert on Friday. We are going to be holding these, and something that I will be alerting this week, which I will move on right now, is ticker QS. Okay, QuantumScape Corporation is the name of this company. Truth be told, when I'm trading, there's so many companies out there. I mean, my phone is blowing up all day long from different brokers, different analysts, different traders I know about this stock, this company, that company. Truth be told, I don't care what these companies do. I don't care what news comes out. I just trade off volume and price action, because honestly, the least I know about the company, the more I feel comfortable trading it. Truth be told, I'm less biased when I know less. Okay, and I just trade off from my fundamentals and technicals that I do know, such as volume, price action, supports and resistance, trend lines, and all my other different indicators that I use, like VWAP when I'm day trading, my exponential moving averages, my engulfing candlesticks. So QS, honestly, it's a very overvaluated company. However, in this market, valuations don't mean anything anymore. As long as the Fed keeps printing money, these companies are just going to keep going up in market cap. That being said, look at this beautiful descending wedge that I did mark up. I've been watching this thing very closely, and finally on Friday the 12th, this thing finally broke out. I mean, huge volume right here, massive breakout, lots of buying, MACD convergence on the 1 day, RSI relatively low. It looks like we'll definitely go above 70 here. This is just something that I'm really looking to alert. I should have alerted on Friday. However, we will be playing most likely the late March or April contracts. Maybe we may alert for the hundreds. Let's take a look here. Let's do the Fibonacci retracement, which is honestly a very, very good indicator that I love to use when we get big run-ups here and then a nice pullback. So let's take this, scale it out relatively, we'll bring it out to May 3rd. So our target sell would be somewhere over here between the 38% and 50% retracement. Let's bring this down a little bit, somewhere over here. So this thing can easily rally into the 70s, 80s, pushing 80s. We could definitely get 90. This thing is hot. We got lots of volume. This can be a serious winner. This will be alerted in my Discord later this week. So we just went over ticker QS, which is in the EV sector. Another company that is in the EV sector is FSR, Fisker Incorporation. Again, on Friday, another EV play, huge spike in volume. I mean, the last time we got this much volume, this stock ran from 16 all the way to 22, and I wouldn't expect otherwise this time around. So, we do have a huge resistance at the 21.68 mark. So I am going to be playing this and alerting my traders in my Discord that I'm going to be looking to play this trading range over here from its current price of $19 all the way to 21.68. If you play the right calls and it happens relatively quickly, it could be a nice 50 to 100% winner, especially if you play the right options. This is something that I will definitely be alerting in my Discord sometime this week. Definitely may look for a pullback. If we don't get one, could be a potential nice day trade for the FSR. So we just went over QS, FSR, both companies in the EV sector. Another one is HYLN, HYLN. This one has been on my radar for a while. I was just waiting for a breakout. We got the breakout on the 11th, so Thursday of last week, and a lot of my members were like, should we buy, should we buy? If you take a closer look over here in the 5-minute chart, see what happened exactly. Right over here, this is when I actually derived my attention to the stock. It already played this trading range that I would have played if I saw it prior, so it hit that. But then, right, a lot of my guys were like, should we buy, should we buy? And I was like, I am not buying. I did not buy here, I did not buy here, I did not buy here. This was going into the close, right? And then we got that pullback, right, with the small rally into the close. And it did look good. I honestly thought that this was going to be a gap up, but I didn't buy because I wanted to see what would happen the next day. And I'm glad we didn't, because we got a retest of the old resistance, now support, which is always perfectly normal when trading a stock. Perfectly normal, always break out or retest of the old resistance, now support. We get it here, we get it here. So now we have this almost this descending price action, right? It's not perfect. I mean, this looks a lot better right here, right? But we really haven't gotten much movement because of lack of volume. I guess traders are just waiting to see what happens before anyone else steps in the waters. However, it does look really good. Now we have support here at the 18 mark. So anytime this thing starts retesting the 18 mark again, I'm going to start loading up on these calls. Especially when the stock's down, you want to be loading up on these calls to get the deflated option premium. And I've noticed in the last few weeks that these options are just so inflated because, I don't know, I guess everyone's an options trader now, but you got to be very careful when you're trading these options. I've gotten screwed the last few weeks because I put a market order in, and I thought there was a lot of volume in the specific option I was trading. However, I was wrong, and I would be buying these inflated premiums, and it's just, now I've just been using a lot of limit orders and being very careful with the spreads in the options that I buy, because there's just a lot of people trading options now, and a lot of the Vega makes a huge impact onto the option premiums when everyone's trading options. So you have to be very careful. I usually tell my traders, listen, if you're not good at trading options, or if you're not familiar with trading options, just buy the stock. Especially in this market, you're seeing things go up 10-15% every single day. I mean, QS was up 21.5% on Friday. FSR was up 22, almost 23% on Friday. I mean, things are just really going. Even other stocks like Space down 8%, Datadog down 4%, EXPI, another great company I love to trade, up almost 7%. Like, things are just going up and down. You can get really screwed if you don't know how to trade the options. Sometimes it's just best to trade the stock. Like I said, all the companies that I went over today, I'll be alerting on my Discord. Like I said prior, anyone who's interested gets the free trial, the 7-day free trial. You get access to everything in my Discord in the free trial. Flow Algo Bot, all my very experienced team of analysts, all their trades, nightly watch list that I personally publish every single night. Give us a nice little planner for the day ahead. And honestly, I think the most important thing in my Discord channel is that you are with a team of very experienced analysts. Very experienced. We know what we're doing. We really do. I mean, there's some traders in my Discord that have made thousands of dollars. Like, look at this person. This is actually one of my close friends. He smoked his account, and we got it back. We did our best work with this guy. In 2 months, we got this kid back and some. I mean, absolutely remarkable. $20,000 is absolutely remarkable in 2 months. This member made 400 on one of our trades, 700 on one of our trades. This is a decent amount on our snow trades. 178% on our Veru contracts that we alerted. One of my analyst kindreds alerted these space calls. That worked out beautifully. I mean, just lots of great stuff. Lots of great information in the Discord. It's just worth a try. It's 7 days free. Link in bio. It's up to you whether you want to make money or not.